Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions that is concerning to SSC CGL as well as all defense examination purpose. So this is one thing I had already discussed up to part 25. You can have a look in my playlist. Now it is part 26. Whatever the questions have been given, please go through whatever it is given in the next slides. The bleaching powder is obtained by the interaction of chlorine and dilute solution of calcium hydroxide. So please remember what are the bleaching powder which is obtained by the interaction of chlorine and dilute solution of calcium hydroxide. You can see how exactly the bleaching powder production takes place with the help of the right side whatever has been given the slide. So have interact whatever the chlorine and dilute solution of calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH2. Water gas is the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the water gas, it's a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Next we have the vulcanization of rubber involves addition of sulfur. This is one thing, vulcanization of rubber which involves addition of sulfur. The measure of gravitational attraction of earth on an object is its weight. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the measure of gravitational attraction of the earth on an object is its weight. Next we have the Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work on spectroscopy. We knew that he had formed the Raman effect. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, Indian physicist, died on so and so date. But as you can see in this, whatever has been given due to the Raman scattering and Raman effect, he has got award of Nobel Prize because of the spectroscopy. The supersonic speed is measured in Mach number. We knew that whatever the planes which go with the greater speed of than speed of the sound, that is 332 meter per second, greater than that whatever the planes fly, that speed, those speed is known as supersonic speed. So here whatever the supersonic speed is measured in Mach number. The ecosystem traps solar energy, that is decomposers. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the ecosystem traps solar energy, that is they are known as decomposers. Teak is a dominant species of tropical moist deciduous forest. This is one thing. Teak is a dominant species of tropical moist deciduous forests. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. There are more than 800 plus question papers. As you can see, whatever has been given in the playlist, it is in a order wise. Next we have the edible part of the potato, that is stem. We knew that potato is one modified form of stem, that is edible part of the potato. The vitamin known for virility, that is we knew that virility vitamin is tocopherol, that is vitamin E, which are very helpful in our nervous system. The one which is caused by the virus, hepatitis is the one which is caused by the virus. We knew that human immunovirus, that is for the AIDS also. Next we have the commissions was associated with the Bombay communal rights. This is one thing. Sri Krishna Commission was the one which was associated with the Bombay communal rights. Next we have EFT, electronic fund transfer. This is one thing you have to remember. So whatever the EFT, that is done through a electronic fund transfer. The painting of Bodhisattva Padmapani is one of the most famous and of illustrated painting at Ajanta caves. We knew that whatever the Bodhisattva Padmapani paintings are there, they are illustrated paintings which are located at Ajanta, which is in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. The Attorney General of India is appointed by the President. We knew that the Chief Justice of India as well as Attorney General of India is appointed by whom? That is appointed by the President. The Hunter Commission constituted during Lord Ripon's administration was concerned with education. Whatever the Hunter Commission had been set up during Lord Ripon's administration was concerned with the education, you can directly go through what exactly the Hunter Commission's duties. Even after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, this was set up because of the investigation over the incident. The system of local boards was introduced in India by Lord Ripon. This is one thing you have to remember. The system of local boards was introduced in India by the Lord Ripon. That Viceroy has introduced the system of local boards. The Shatavahana kingdom was established in the region around, that is Amravati. This is one thing, guys, please remember. The Shatavahana kingdom, which was established in the region around Amravati. The oldest surviving newspaper in India is the Bombay Samachar. As you can see to the right side how exactly the Bombay Samachar looks like. So this is the one. The Lucknow Pact 1916 embodied the scheme of constitutional reforms. So whatever the Lucknow Pact in 1916 has been taken place, that the scheme of constitutional reform which depicts that. Now we have the power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India is vested with whom? That is vested with the Parliament. What exactly the Parliament we have? Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, as well as along with the President of India. All these three together is known as Parliament of India. So whatever the power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India is vested with the Parliament. Now you comment me in this section. I had already discussed in previous slide how many members are there in the Supreme Court, including the Chief Justice of India and judges. You tell me the figure whatever in this comment section. The book on astronomy in medieval India written by Al-Biruni. He is the one who had written over the astronomy. As you can see, master astronomer and Muslim scholar. This is one thing of the 11th century. Now we have the earliest inscription in India are those of Chandragupta Maurya. Please remember whatever the earliest inscription in India are those of Chandragupta Maurya. The Bhagavad Gita is a part of, as you can see, the Bhagavad Gita, it's a part of the Mahabharata. Next we have the Bermuda Triangle, also known as the graveyard of the ships, is situated in, we have the Sargasso Sea. This is one thing. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the graveyard of ships, situated in Sargasso Sea. Please have a look how exactly the Bermuda Triangle looks, and it's a graveyard of the ships which is situated in Sargasso Sea. The following is utilized in the Allahabad pillar inscription, that is Samudragupta. We knew that whatever the Allahabad inscriptions have been utilized during the time of, so this is Samudragupta. So that whole information be given by this Allahabad pillar inscription. The first Muslim ruler who introduced a standing army was Alauddin Khilji. Was the first Muslim ruler who introduced a standing army, that is Alauddin Khilji. Lavani is a Marathi folk dance. You can see how exactly that dance looks like. Next we have the compound present in DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid, does not form amino acid, that is tyrosine. The diesel engine, the fuel used is, whatever the diesel engine we use as fuel as mixture of diesel, air as well as petrol. All these three together is mixed. The organ that is a reservoir of red blood corpuscles and is responsible for increase in their number in the process of acclimatization at a high altitude is spleen. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the organ that is a reservoir of RBC and is responsible for increasing their number in the process of acclimation at a high altitude is, that is spleen. Das Kapital was written by whom? That was written by Karl Marx. You can see to the right side how exactly German economist who was exiled to England. He wrote Das Kapital, which explained how he thought capitalism would fall, and also Communist Manifesto. So this is one thing you have to remember. He had written by, that is Das Kapital has been written by Karl Marx. So this is my mobile number, guys. If you have any discrepancy in my slide, please let me know. You can message me if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS by WhatsApp. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.